In the last video we displayed 0 to 9 digits on a 7-segment display. We used a very simple program. We just sent one digit of data, and after some delay, we sent another digit of data. That is not a very efficient program. In this video we will use some of the advanced programming codes. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. Here are the codes we used in last video. We used a very simple program. We just sent one digit of data, and after some delay, we sent another digit of data. That is not a very efficient program. In this video we will use some of the advanced programming codes. I will remove this code. I already wrote the code. I will paste this code here. Now I will explain you the codes. SEG equals P0. 7-segment display connected at P0. Assigned SEG name to port 0. Digit 1 equal to 30H. Digit 1 at location 30H. Create a variable named digit 1 at RAM location 30H. Main program. This is main program loop. Move digit 1 #0. Copy 0 to digit 1. Move number 0 to digit 1. Now the value of digit 1 is 0. Start. This is a label. A call DISP. Call display function. Here is the display digit function. DISP. This is a label. Move DPTR #SEG codes. Copy 7 segments display codes to DPTR. Here are SEG codes. DB. DB means defined bytes. In this line we create a table for all digits in hex format. 40H. This is hex code for digit 0. Minimize this window. Click on calculator. Select binary. And type 10000000. The hex value of this binary is 40H. 79H. This is hex code for digit 1. 24H. This is hex code for digit 2. 30H. This is hex code for digit 3. 19H. This is hex code for digit 4. 12H. This is the hex code for digit 5. 02H. This is the hex code for digit 6. 78H. This is the hex code for digit 7. 00H. This is hex code for digit 8. 10H. This is the hex code for digit 9. Move a digit 1. Copy digit 1 into A. Digit 1 has 0 number. Here we copied 0 into digit 1. Move CA. At the rate of A plus DPTR. Copy hex code from DPTR. We use new instruction MOVC. What is the purpose of this instruction? We use MOV to copies the value of source into destination. When both destination and source must be in internal RAM, MOVC is used to copy a byte from code memory to RAM. Now you think about why we use DPTR. We need to read the code memory address from which the byte will be moved is through the accumulator with DPTR. Without DPTR we cannot read code memory. Now DPTR holds the 7-segment codes table. And the A holds the value of digit 1. 0. The initial value of code is 0. And the result is 40H. And copy this code into A. Move SEG A. Copy A into SEG. This will send data to SEG. SEG is a port 0 where 7-segment display is connected. And the result 0 display on 7 segments display. Return. Exit from loop. A call delay 3. Call time delay. Delay gives some time to display the digit on a 7-segment display. Here is delay function. I already explained the delay function in previous video. A call UPC NT1. Call up counter 1. Here is the up counter 1 function. UPC NT1. That is the label. Move A #10. Copy 10 into A. INC digit 1. Increment digit 1. INC means increment. This instruction increments the digit 1. Now the value of digit 1 is equal to 1. Before we copied 0 into digit 1. Now digit 1 is equal to 1. CJNEA, digit 1, UPC NT1 exit. Compare A with UPC NT1. If not equal, UPC NT1 exit. CJNE means compare and jump if not equal. It compares A with UPC NT1. If these two are not equal, it will jump to the up counter exit. Here is UPC NT1 exit. RET. Return. And exit from the loop. In this case it will bypass this line. What happens if both values are equal? Move digit 1 #0. Copy 0 to digit 1. Return. Exit from loop. S jump start. Jump to start. Now again it will repeat this loop. A call display. Call display function. Here is display function. Move DPTR #SEG codes. Copy 7 segments display codes to DPTR. Move A digit 1. Copy digit 1 into A. Now the value of digit 1 is 1. Move CA. At the rate of A plus DPTR. Copy hex code from DPTR. Now the start address of DPTR is 0, and the A holds 1. And it will pick the 1 value of the table. That is hex code of the 1 digit. Now the value of the A is 1. It will pick the number 1 value from the table. And copy into A. Move SEG A. Copy A into SEG. This will display 1 on a 7-segment display. Return. Exit from loop. And again, it will call the UPC NT1 and increment the digit. Move A #10. Copy 10 into A. INC digit 1. Increment digit 1. Now the value of digit 1 is 2. CJNEA, digit 1, UPC NT1 exit. If not equal, UPC NT1 exit. Jump to start. And again repeat this cycle. Now click on Build Target. Hex file created. No error 1 warning. Now I will download this hex file into the microcontroller. Click on microcontroller. Select file. Click on Start. Now you can see 7 segments display showing 0 to 9 counting. As we saw in previous video. But this time we used advanced programming. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.